In this video, I'll be showing you an AI system that if I had a plumbing business, I'll set up in my business right away. And what this AI system basically does is it's gonna call your old customers and then try to reactivate those leads one by one. Let's say you have thousands of leads in your CRM, and these are basically old customers or old leads that you haven't basically made contact yet in a long time. So we're gonna reach out to them using an AI system. It's gonna call the leads and then try to reactivate them. Now let's say out of the 1000 leads the AI is gonna call, if it can reactivate at least 10 or 20 of the jobs, then this can result to a very high ROI for your business. Let me introduce myself first before I proceed, and my name is Manzaru. So basically I run an AI agency and I've been doing that for the past 2 or 3 years. So if you're a business owner who is interested in implementing AI into your business but you're not sure how, then you can book a free AI audit call with me in the description of this video. Now without further ado, let's just continue the video. Now the system that I'm talking about, you do not need any ads or cold leads but just past customers to pull this off. Now how does the system actually work? So let's say you have a lead database that looks like this. What the AI is gonna do is that it's gonna call the leads one by one and then try to reactivate them. Now if you're wondering how the conversation may look like once the AI actually calls your lead, then I'll be showing you a demo within a minute. So make sure you stick till the end of this video. So the AI is gonna go through your customer list, which looks like this, and then it's gonna either call the lead or at least send a personalized message. So each of the message or each of the leads the AI is gonna call or interact with is gonna feel super personal. I mean, it's gonna use the data that you have on your CRM to make sure that the AI basically speaks the name of the lead and then uses the information presented in your CRM, like their name, their address, and then try to qualify the lead and then try to find out if they can reactivate the lead or not. So once the job has been booked automatically, it's gonna be updated into your CRM automatically as well. Also, it will be synced to your calendar and you will receive a notification immediately once the AI books the job. So that's how it's gonna look like. Now, if you're wondering how the AI will look like in a real-time conversation with a human, then I'll be showing you a demo right now.
Hey, is this Mike? This is Sarah calling from Downtown Plumbing. Hope I'm not catching you at a bad time.
Yeah, this is Mike. What's up?
We just wanted to do a quick courtesy check. We serviced your water heater back in March, and it's coming up on 12 months. Water heaters typically need a flush around this time to keep running efficiently.
Yeah, I actually haven't thought about that. That could be helpful. How much do you guys charge?
I'm glad you're open to it. The water heater flush usually takes about 30 minutes, and I can set that up for you. We actually have a slot open this Thursday at 10 a.m. if that works for you.
Yeah, but how much do you guys charge for your service?
I understand the need to know that. The water heater flush is typically around $99. Would you like to book that Thursday at 10 a.m.?
Okay, Thursday at 10 a.m. works fine.
Great. Just to confirm, is the address still the same on Maple Street?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. We'll have someone out to you on Thursday at 10 a.m. You'll receive a confirmation text shortly. Thanks, Mike, and have a wonderful day.
Alright, thank you. Bye-bye. Given the fact that it's just a demo, I think that it did just fine in a conversational way. But if we were to deploy this for a business in real time, then this assistant would have performed much more professionally and it would have been more flexible, I would say. Now that you guys have seen the demo, it basically took around 90 seconds to actually book the job, and this was just a demo, like I said, and just an example as to how the conversations may look like. So let's say if the AI is calling leads but the leads are not picking up or they're being sent to voicemail, then we can also set up different type of functions for that, for the AI as well. But let's say the lead didn't pick up the call, which of course will be a very normal scenario. In that case, the AI is going to label the lead as a follow-up, so that in your CRM, of course, so that the AI will basically check out on the next day and then try to call the lead again, or at least after a few hours, to try to see if the lead picks up the call or not. It's gonna basically call the lead again and again. That's on how many times we actually set the AI to call the lead, that is for follow-up. After that, yeah, it's gonna just try to engage with the lead and see if it can book a job. Now the best thing here is that Regarding this entire AI system I talked about, there is absolutely zero staff involved. You can run this by yourself, and once you like install this system into your business, you can just run it once or just set a few things up, and then it will automatically run and then call the leads, book the jobs straight into your calendar. So all you'll have to do is just go into the job site and then do the inspections and all of that. You just do the rest of your work while the AI will just book jobs for you from your past customers. So there's also zero ad spend as well. So this is the ROI is absolutely huge over here. How does this look like without the AI versus with AI? I'm just trying to help you guys visualize the results that you guys will possibly get once you have this system. So without this system, you probably have, let's say, empty calendars. But with this system, if we can at least reactivate, let's say, 10 or 20 customers out of, let's say, 1000 leads that you have in your CRM, then that is also pretty good number as well, because 10 or 20 customers can at least lead to maybe $20,000. This runs every month automatically. We can actually set the AI up to run it periodically, let's say after a few weeks, after a few months, because we definitely do not want to spam call the customers over and over again. So we have to ensure that we run this periodically. All right, so let's say you have a customer added in your CRM, so the AI is going to follow up at 6 months, and then once it books the job, and then you label the job as done, so it's going to be stored in your CRM, and this process will repeat over and over again. All right, so this is the goal, is to ensure that for your customers or for your leads that are in your CRM, if the AI stays in touch with them again and again, if your leads needs a plumber next time, then you're gonna be the one that's coming up in their head, because your company is under constant engagement with them. Hence, you're gonna be the first one to come up into their mind once they feel like they need a plumber. All right. Every new customer you serve re-enters this loop automatically. Set it up once and it's done. Now, if you are a business owner and you'd like to see something like this for your business, maybe you're a business owner who is interested in AI solutions. You've heard about AI. You're interested in AI, AI can change your business, and you can book a free AI audit call with me in the description of this video. So there is a link provided, and if you click on the link, you'll be able to book a call with me, and we will basically examine your workflows from A to Z, like how we are getting your leads, and then we'll try to find out if there is other bottlenecks in your business that AI could solve as well. So we're gonna go through all of that and then suggest you with a solution that can possibly help you grow your business. This is not a sales call at all. So let's say this is just a friendly conversation between a founder to founder. So if you need any help with this kind of AI system, then yeah, feel free to book a call. Now let's say if you're interested in building this solution by yourself for your business, you want to invest that time and hours to build this by yourself, just step by step, then I have another channel. This channel is like this current channel where you're watching the video on is more dedicated towards business owners who are not bothered about the technical stuffs as to how to build AI, APIs, and all of that, but they just want ROI and they just want to understand how AI can grow their business. This channel is for them. But if you also want to see the tutorial videos, the nerdy tech type videos, then yeah, this channel is for you. This is my first channel. I opened this 2 years ago when I started my AI agency journey. So you can find all of the technical stuffs over here. I actually have a plumber video over here where I actually created a reactivation system like this. You can find this in this video in this channel as well. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video. I hope you guys found the video valuable, and if there is anything you need to know from me, then let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.